In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Dolphin Emulator app on Android. First, we will open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is a crucial first step as the Play Store is the official app marketplace for Android. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Look for the colorful shopping bag icon. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, displaying various apps and games. This is where you can safely download applications, ensuring they are secure and up to date. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make your navigation smoother. Next, we will search for Dolphin Emulator. At the top of the Play Store, you will see a search bar. Click on that search bar and type in Dolphin Emulator. As you type, suggestions may appear below. Once you see Dolphin Emulator in the list, tap on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page. Here you can see all the details, including the app's description, ratings, and reviews. This information helps you confirm that you are downloading the right app. It's important to ensure you choose the correct application to avoid any potential issues. Now we will tap Install. You will see a green button that says Install on the app page. When you click on it, the download and installation process will start. You might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is critical because it ensures that the Dolphin Emulator app is installed directly onto your device. It may take a few moments depending on your internet connection, but don't worry, the app will be ready to use shortly. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear on the same page. You can tap this button to launch Dolphin Emulator immediately. Alternatively, you can find the app in your app drawer. This is where all your installed applications are stored. Simply swipe through the list of apps until you locate the Dolphin Emulator icon. Tapping on it will open the app, allowing you to start your gaming experience. Opening the app after installation is vital because it confirms that everything has been set up correctly. If you prefer, you can also download the latest Android APK from the official Dolphin website. This is a great alternative method for obtaining the app. Using the official website ensures that you get the most recent version directly from the developers. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the Dolphin Emulator download page. Be careful to only download from the official site to avoid malware or outdated versions. This option is particularly useful if you want to access features that might not yet be available on the Play Store version. After accessing the website, look for the download link for the Android APK. Once you find it, tap on the link to begin the download. Your device may prompt you to allow installations from unknown sources. If you see this message, follow the instructions to enable installations from your browser. This step is important as it ensures that you can install the APK file without any issues. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder and tap it to begin installation. In conclusion, downloading the Dolphin Emulator on your Android device is straightforward. Whether you choose the Google Play Store or the official website, you are setting yourself up for an enjoyable gaming experience. Now you can start enjoying your favorite games on the go. Thank you for watching and happy gaming!